We're making this really good cauliflower cheese pasta. Just think about it for a second. Cauliflower, cheese, and pasta mixed all together. It's absolutely incredible. I'm gonna start off firstly with the cauliflower. We're gonna cook this in milk. Bring that to the boil and simmer it for about 10 minutes. Serve with this, we're doing a traditional Italian thing called pan frittata. And firstly, smoke bacon. Go with 2 cloves of garlic here as well. We're just gonna give it a rough chop firstly. Then we're just gonna paste it into the bacon with the garlic. Breadcrumbs in. Just chop the tarragon. Tarragon. You're happy with your cauliflower and it's cooked enough. All of this into a liquidizer. Season with lots of sea salt. A nice little hunk of cheddar. Good. So what I'm gonna do is sit that there, and I'm gonna just cook my pasta then. Keep a little bit of the pasta water. Strain it. It's like a puree almost. A little bit of the pasta water. More. Ooh. Look how creamy it is. How good is that? So creamy.